camcorder. And let's see what we got. It's supposed to have a microphone, a SD card, and 2 batteries. And let's see what we got here. Okay, we got the instruction manual. Need that. 2 batteries. Pretty good. Remote control. Like that. A microphone. Pretty good. A charging cable. Ooh, a bag for your carrying. And your camera. Ooh, I like this. This is nice. We'll be recording some. If you can't find your battery, your SD card, you just pop this up right here. This is the battery, where the battery goes. And they put it in here. I don't know why they put it in there instead of putting it in a package or whatever. Here's your record, here's your mic and USB ports. I'm assuming that's your zoom in and out. And your pause. And we'll see what it looks like when we start messing with it.